Welcome, bakers. Today we'll guide you through the process of making soft, delicious cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls can get even better with these crazy hacks. Picture this, your classic soft, gooey cinnamon rolls. Now let's kick it up a notch. First up, vegan cinnamon rolls. Yep, no eggs, no dairy, but still all that fluffy goodness. Swap out the butter with coconut oil and use almond milk.
Trust me, even your non-vegan friends won't know the difference. Next, let's talk toppings. Caramel drizzle, anyone? Melt some sugar and butter, pour it on top, and boom, you've got a sticky, sweet masterpiece. Feeling fruity? Add some apple chunks to your filling.
It's like a mini apple pie inside your roll. Or go nuts with pecans for that extra crunch. But wait, there's more. Ever thought of matcha cinnamon rolls? Mix some matcha powder into your dough for a vibrant green twist. It's a flavor explosion you didn't know you needed. So, next time you're baking those cinnamon rolls, mix it up a bit. Your taste buds will thank you. Gee. And hey, who says you can't teach an old roll new tricks? B.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious baking content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Happy baking!